Meaning of dead white European male.
Dead white European male.
Dead white European male.
Dead white European male.
Dead white European male. The term dead white European male is typically used in a critical or derogatory way to refer to historical figures who are perceived as representing a narrow, privileged, and often oppressive perspective. The phrase is often associated with the critique of traditional Western culture and its emphasis on the achievements of white European men. It is sometimes used to suggest that such figures are outdated and no longer relevant to contemporary life and progress. However, this perspective has been criticized for its own narrowness and for overlooking the contributions and perspectives of women, people of color, and others.